Hello students, I am Safia, your science teacher. Today I am going to show you the revision. So the lessons for your examination are weather and climate, and the next lesson is animal fiber. So in the lesson weather and climate, we have discussed about different aspects of weather. We have discussed how temperature will affect our day-to-day life, how weather will affect our day-to-day life and our lifestyle. We have also discussed about the different instruments or the devices used for measuring the aspects of weather and the alternate names as well. And the study about weather and climate will be done by a department. It is called as meteorological department. The people who are working in that department are called as meteorologists. And IMD, Indian Meteorological Department, will study the weather and climate of our country. Name itself IMD, Indian Meteorological Department. There are different centers of IMD in the different states of our country. Hyderabad also have a regional meteorological department. And we have discussed about rain gauge and what is the instrument used for measuring the direction and speed of the wind, that is anemometer, and as well as the humidity. Hygrometer is used for measuring the humidity, and many aspects we have discussed here. What is the thermometer used for measuring the maximum and minimum temperature? That is MMT, maximum minimum thermometer. It has both the thermometric liquids, that is mercury and alcohol, and we have discussed everything in detail. And not only that, we have also discussed how these weathers are cycling, whether it according to the weathers which we are, according to the seasons which we are getting, it can be a it can be a what I can say change that. And not only that, here weather will affect our everyday life, and as well as the climate. What is meant by climate? Climate is nothing but the regular pattern for 25 years. Regular pattern of weather over a period of 25 years is considered as the climate of a place. So based on the weather, if the weather is continuous same for 25 years, then it will be considered as the climate of a place. That we have discussed. And next we have discussed about animal fibers. Animal fibers are obtained from animals. Two examples are silk and wool. We have discussed both in detail. Silk, we have learnt about the life cycle of silkworm. We have practiced the life cycle of silkworm. It is very important, and as well as learn each and everything regarding the life cycle of silkworm. From fiber, from where we are getting the fiber, from eggs to the fabric. Then in the wool, we have discussed how shearing, from the flow chart we have learned from shearing to the woolen fabric, how we can get the woolen fabric from the wool. Then also we have discussed in the lesson animal fiber. Go through the lessons thoroughly and properly, read each and every point carefully, because these two lessons are your next examination question or the syllabus. So as you already know the examination pattern or the paper pattern, that is 80 marks. The paper will be for 80 marks. 70 marks will be subjective, 10 marks will be the objective. So 70 marks, how those are divided, already have idea. Those are divided into 3 sections, 1, 2, 3. First section, all the 7 answers you have, questions you have to answer. Section 2, you have to answer all the 6 questions. Section 3 will be having internal choice, either A or B. Then part B is the objective paper. All the best students, read well and write well. Do not cheat in the examinations. It is for your good. All the best.